Welcome to Likha Art Exhibition. It's my project in humanities one. So my advisor in this is Bernardita Regalado. This is Oslo, the material uses, and the pencil charcoal. And this one is watercolor with water. So I drew the tree. My title of my artwork project in humanities is the tree. So I draw the tree. With using pencil charcoal. So pencil charcoal is needed to use to draw the tree. Okay, so after that I draw the tree. So this is a pattern drawing of the tree. So the second step, I use watercolor to brush the tree of color brown. So please watch brush the tree color brown. I'll start here. Brush. So I finish the stem body of the tree, color brown, up to the root of tree is brown. So the next I do is for the tip of tree. It's leaves. I put leaves in the tip of tree. It's the color of green. I use green for leaves. At the tip of branch. Dip also in water, then paste in color of green, then paste in tip of tree. So the tip of the tree we have a leaves. So I finish to put a leaves with color green. So this is my finished art, the Tree of Hope. So the title of masterpiece is the Tree of Hope. Then my method of use in presenting the artwork is KineMaster for a video editing. So the material used is pencil, watercolor, then with water and Oslo paper. So the significant and cost is worth total for 65 pesos. This art was create worth of 65 pesos. So, the meaning of art of Tree of Hope for me, the meaning of the art of Tree of Hope for me is don't lose your hope. Life must go on. Be hard study to reference your self-goal. It's just like a tree. If you are goal in yourself, the tree and the leaves was called mayabong, or the leaves is masagana, then you make it harvest the fruit. Or if you are finished to study, you have harvest time. Baga, we have to reference to apply in work. So, well, pick it you better na to finish the study. So, don't lose your hope. So, that's the meaning of my artwork. The meaning tree of hope. So, it's that very nice. Don't lose your hope. Life must go on. Be hard to study. Reference to self-goal. It's just like a tree. Then, mayabong leaves, then magbubunga yan. So, it's my finished product. So, thank you and for watching. This is my Likha project. Thank you.